Welcome! In this update we're going to go over automated writing evaluation. A little bit about myself. My name is Luke Dunham. I'm a learning and software implementation project manager. I have 15 years experience in aerospace and I have been focused on learning since 2011. Before that I was a financial analyst. I focus on financial learning and also software deployment. I'm currently building a new e-learning website for our finance department. And a little bit about my education background. Graduated with a degree in business administration and a focus in finance. Later on received a certificate in project management. And I am now pursuing my master's in education with a focus in human resource development. Now let's review automated writing evaluations. The software applications that can really help us when writing our papers. First, let's look at recursive feedback. This is a continuous feedback loop from multiple points of views, including peers, software applications, and teacher or teachers, as in the case with us. These different points of views allow the learner to reflect on their work and gain a deeper understanding to improve their learning artifact, with each feedback loop until they have reached their full potential. In our last class, the professor mentioned the term plagiarism checker. I've been out of school for a while, so this was something I hadn't heard before. I thought it'd be interesting to see what's out there, so I started doing a Google search, and what I came up with really surprised me. I found not only the plagiarism checker, but also something that can help with the recursive feedback loop, the automated writing evaluation software. Next, I'm going to give a demo of what I discovered. Alright, so let's go out to Google, and if we type in Grammarly plagiarism checker, this is a piece of software I found that's great for automated writing evaluation software. So first, I'm just going to go plagiarize something. I'm going to grab this off a PDF, I'm going to copy it, and then put it into a Word document just to see how the software works. This is obviously just for our test and demonstration purposes. And I'm going to add some additional text up here, and I'm going to write it a little wordy and with a couple mistakes so we can see how the software works. I'll take this and save it as my test file. Now I'm going to go to Grammarly, I'm going to upload the file. This is great, so if you take one of the 2,000 word papers we're working or any of your assignments and upload this, it's a really good tool to check for automated writing evaluations. So first in this one we're going to scan for plagiarism, which of course we know there is. So in this one it shows us the example. It detected that plus, and then of course it's checking for other things like grammar, punctuation, spelling, word choice, style, and sentence structure. To see in more detail we have to log in. First you'd create an account, which I've already done, and then you log into your account. So I'll log into my account now. Once in your account, you'll have an opportunity here to upload your file. So go find your file and upload it. And then there's some selections here for goals. I'm not going to go through that right now. Once it's in, it will quickly, in a matter of seconds, analyze your paper and then come back with mistakes. So in this first one you see, it's really good at finding unnecessary words. So in this case it says, they have the ability to, if we change that to be a little bit less wordy, we can say they can. Next, we have while impacting the cognitive process in a positive way. So we just change that to positively impacting the cognitive process. Once again, it reduces the words, makes it a little bit less wordy. It's a more efficient and better sentence. So we take that just by clicking on it. It puts it in our paper. Looks for things like that. Also if there were spelling mistakes or words that maybe are commonly spelled correctly but in the wrong spot, it would find those. Jumping back to our paper here, it should be pointed out that while the automated writing evaluation software is great, it has a lot of benefits, as you can see in that quick demo, it isn't perfect. It's been pointed out by others doing their research that it has a hard time interpreting meaning. So if you write a sentence that's ironic or rhetorical statements, it doesn't evaluate those very well. Now, even with these items that it doesn't perform very well with, I would say it's still a great piece of software nonetheless, and I highly recommend it, and I'll be using it every time before I do any postings from here on forward. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.